My core belief is that reality is a story brought to life. The question then is, what is the reality we're trying to bring to life? Let's get the story right first, so that the reality follows in a way that we've helped design with a great story. You discover, you might have the board of directors of the same company doing interviews, and they're all answering the same questions completely differently. Right? Everyone's nodding at that one. Alignment is so important. That's again why getting a single story. So if you're leading change, job number one, let's all point in the same direction. Let's all be clear what the story is, and then let's all get excited about it. So when you write this stuff down, please don't be woolly. Please don't be, I want to reach all businesses, or I want to reach all small businesses. Who are small businesses? Who are the people? What type of small businesses? What do they do? What are the sweet spots if you're commercial? The people you serve best, make the most money from, that love you the most. Jazz is improvisation, every performance is different, right? But this tune still sounds different from this tune. Has to, otherwise it's just noise. So you want to create a tune that we want our people, if we're internal communications, or our customers, actually, if we're in marketing, or to be honest, our investors, we want people to be broadly saying the same thing, but in their own way. We want them to take ownership of it, tell their own stories about our story, but largely, we hope, riffing on the same tune. What usually differentiates a company, a brand, a change program, a project, an individual, is not what they do or what they're going to do, but how. So, okay, so we've got to find the stuff that's special, different. You know, there's always an X factor in every organization. Always, always, always. You know, if you're Mike or me as a consultant selling my services, same thing. I say, I will tell you as I see it. You know, I really will challenge you and argue and say I don't believe you and push. And some people love that and some people hate that. And that's fine, okay? Because I don't want to work for people who won't value the way I do it, because it won't work. I won't bring value to the situation. And the same would apply, you know what I mean? So you want to find the people who say yes rather than the people who say no. And you want some people to say no. We know who, we know their why, we know our how. This is where the story sits. This is where the story sits. Matching our hows with their whys. The way we do things with why they should give her. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? No problem. You've missed all of the good stuff. Unfortunately, it's all rubbish from now on.